Okay, let's continue with the next question. They ask us to calculate the length of the cargo ship according to the spacecraft. Okay, so again to another reference which is moving relative to the Earth. So now I could say that we will need to convert another length, right? The length of the cargo ship, we should know that that's the proper length that's given here to be 992 meter, because this is how the proper length of the cargo ship is given from the problem statement here. They ask us to see how it changed when being seen from the spacecraft. So then we need to find another gamma. Just to remind you that we have previously another gamma from question A, but that gamma is like between the spacecraft and the Earth, okay? Here it is between the spacecraft and the cargo ship, okay? So then here we need to see, okay, how fast is the spacecraft moving compared to the cargo ship, relative to the cargo ship, right? Because you just imagine that you need to convert, we just need to transform, actually to transform from the cargo ship to the spacecraft. So that's why we need to identify the speed of the spacecraft relative to the cargo ship, okay? So then you can see that, okay, this is how the spacecraft moving in this direction, cargo ship is moving in this direction, and then we know that this is the speed of the cargo ship relative to the spacecraft. So if the cargo ship is moving to the spacecraft negative, that is mean that the spacecraft is moving in the opposite direction to the cargo ship. Then there should be a positive here, okay? But actually, it's just lucky for us that it doesn't really matter if this one is positive or negative, because in the end, we just like square it. But just want to remind you here, if you see that to the spacecraft, the cargo ship travel negative, then oppositely, to the cargo ship, then the spacecraft will travel in a positive direction. And actually, it is the positive direction compared relative to the Earth, okay? So then you can find the new gamma here, the new Lorentz constant to be 3.08. I will just go with three significant figures because here we just have 9, 4, 6, 3 significant figures, okay? So then from that, we can see that the length should follow the length contraction. If things travel at some speed kind of comparable to the speed of light, then it can see the length of the cargo ship shorter, okay? And that's why it's just around 322 meter. Also, again, three significant figure. And then you can also see that, oh, this is the same, right? The same equation in the math scheme here, okay? Okay, so not too difficult for this question, right? Okay, then we will move on to the final question C in the next video. Okay.